Okay, so our next group of functions that we'll see in this demonstration are string-based functions, whereby we're working on character-based data. Now, the first example is the concat function, and this is short for concatenation, and it's used to create a single string out of multiple strings. Now, note the space that's used here as well. I'm selecting the concat function of first name, and then this is a space in quotation marks, then the last name, and all of those are separated by commas. And again, everything that the function operates on is always enclosed in parentheses. And I'm aliasing that as full name. And I'm selecting from the customer table. So let's execute and see the result. And we just see the first name, space, last name for each record. And that's why the quote space quote is there. Let me just take this out temporarily, and you can see what happens if you just put in the two values that you want to put together. They come out as a single word. Okay, so these are known as literal characters, and you can put in a space or really any other character if you wanted to. For example, you could go last name, then quote, comma, space, quote, and you would see Smith, comma, space, Mary in terms of the result. So again, that allows you to put in characters that should be treated literally. I literally want to see a space in the answer. This is just another example, and in this case, I am inserting a literal character of a dash between each value. So I'm retrieving the address, the postal code, and the phone number, and simply calling it customer contact. So this way we'll actually see the dashes in between each value. Now you can see there aren't postal codes or phone numbers for some customers, but that's fine. If we scroll down, there we see are some examples where both are present, and it's a little more readable in this fashion. So this is good when you're creating reports and you don't necessarily want to see the values as being separate. But that's why it's good